In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a flipbook or an ebook to your Shopify website. Since Shopify doesn't offer this feature directly on Shopify, we're going to be using an external widget, but don't worry, it's completely free of charge and it doesn't require any credit card information either. The first step is to go to Elf's site. I've added a link for this website down below that'll take you straight to this page, so go ahead and click there. From here, go up and hover over widgets, and then all the way under tools, we can see that we have a flipbook option. Go ahead and click there. Next, click on the big pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take you down to a template builder where we can start designing our widget. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you'd like to match something like your branding or similar. Just pick one that's closest to what you're looking for now. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and select the ebook option right here. And from here, go down at the very bottom and click continue with this template. From here, we are presented with two options. We can either upload a PDF or we can add the PDF by link. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and upload a PDF file by clicking right here and then click browse files. Go ahead and select the PDF file. In this case, this is mine. I'm going to click here and click open. And then just let it upload. Once it's uploaded, it should look something like this. And a really cool thing about this widget builder is that you can interact with it. So for example, I could go ahead and test if it works fine by clicking on the arrow over here, like this, or even down here. You can also enter full screen mode, share it, and more. Additionally, you can also go up in the top right corner here and click on a small mobile to see what this would look like on mobile. So if someone's scrolling on their phone on your website and they come across this, it's going to look like this when they're on their mobile. So again, they can go ahead and tap here with their finger and scroll through your ebook or magazine or whatever you have. I'm just going to go back to normal by clicking here and clicking in desktop mode. Now, if you want to customize this to fit your branding or similar, go ahead and click on design on the left-hand side right here. From here, you can change the background color, the element color, and the font. To change the color, go ahead and click on the color on the right-hand side, like the black option right here. And here you can choose between all of these colors down here. You can even go ahead and click down here in this little custom color option and choose a custom color, or if you know a code down here for the background color. Additionally, you can also go ahead and add a gradient if you'd like to, or even an image. I'm just going to go ahead and stick with the dark option right here, the black option, and click done. The same goes for the element color, and if you want to change the font, go ahead and click on default, and then you can search for a font right here. When it's set to default, it's going to apply the font from your website. So on your Shopify website, it's going to have a default font from your theme, and this is what it's going to be applying. And the text for this widget would be the text up here, which is basically the name of the file I uploaded before. So if you want a different title as well, go ahead and change the file name before uploading it. And once you're ready to move forward and add this to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button down at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll either need to sign up or log into Elf's site if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a moment. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you don't need to change anything else, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the big green publish button you should have right around here where mine says view plans. Mine says view plans because I've used this widget before, but just click on the big green publish button. And once you've done that, you should end up on a page where you need to select a plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead on the left-hand side where there's a $0 a month option right around here and click on the gray select button to select the $0 a month plan. And once you've done that, you should end up on a page that looks similar to this right here. And once you're on this page, simply go ahead and click on the copy code right here. And now it's time to head back to our Shopify website. Now to add this to our Shopify website, make sure that you're on the page where you want to add it. In this case, I'm going to add it to the home page. I want to add this to the midsection of my website, which would be the template option over here on the left-hand side. So go ahead and click on Add Section at the very bottom. And from here, scroll all the way down until you see Custom Liquid. Go ahead and click there. Once it looks like this, go over on the right-hand side where it says Custom Liquid and then insert the code we just copied. You can do that by clicking Ctrl-V on your keyboard or right-clicking and clicking Paste. And now you just need to click away from it and let it load for a second. And as you can see, we've now successfully added a flipbook or an ebook or whatever you'd like to call it to our Shopify website. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.